And it is raining in San Diego, boy. Hey, peace out. Hey, I'm leaving. Peace out, motherfucker. Alright, later. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. What we're gonna do today, let's see. I got this grounding kit, right? Oh, I got this grounding kit. So what we're gonna do is, I don't have connections on the end. This was actually from, where is it from? Wiring Specialties. So all these wires ran into, Jesus Christ. All these wires ran into a bigger wire, but it didn't reach anywhere that I needed to go. It was like a universal kit. So I'm just gonna pick up some ends for this, solder them in. I don't know if you can see that. We're gonna solder those in and get this grounded. And then the next one, I'm gonna pick up some dry ice, maybe. Actually, I might pick that up today. Who knows? I might just throw it in the same video because I'm not gonna just make a video about crimping on wires. You know, I gotta flock this dash, man. I gotta flock this dash because I got the fuse, the relay thing. I got my switch panel, and I got that thing right there. So I just gotta flock this dash so I can put all that in and it looks good, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna put all that in with this dash like this because I'm gonna have to make some like custom brackets and shit to like, I don't know, I just rather get that done first, but that's just me. But yeah, so once we get this sound deadening out, we can put that bar in, and then put the ECU in, wire up the 1J. And I ordered that boot. I don't know if I told you before. I don't know if you can see shit right now. But anyways, I was dragging on. Today we're gonna wash this dirty motherfucker right here. Look at that. These are black wheels, son. Look at that dirt. Damn. The inside's all dirty and shit too. Yeah. Oh, jewel life. Sick. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do that first. Hop over to the car wash. My phone's all apart on the trunk of my car because I was trying to pull out the SD card. Alright, anyways, let's go.
Hey, hey, hey. Shoot 'em up, 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 shoot 'em up. Got money, shoot 'em up, 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 shoot 'em up. Ask God, shoot 'em up, shoot 'em up.
Ho! It's probably the wrong way to do this, but basically I'm just gonna crimp these on and put some heat shrink over to make it look good. What I'm gonna do is put a smaller heat shrink on this, and then since these connectors, the ends are bigger, I don't even know if it's gonna focus, but these ends are bigger. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is slap a bigger one on after that to cover that up. Which you don't have to do. That's just what I want. I don't want any yellow showing or anything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Jesus Christ! Hey, quit playing with this shit, bro. Man, this little dude thinks he's gonna fucking bite this shit or something. He's trying to claw it. Anyways. Can I get a focus, please? Please focus. Okay. I'm probably losing it. Hey, bitch. Hey! Alright, let me see. I'll try it from this angle. Man, this is already 6 minutes. God. Hey! Motherfucker, dude. Hey, go home, dude. Go home. Alright. Hey, A! A! Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Okay. Focus for me now. Focus. Hey, fuck off, Garf. God, dude. Alright, so here's where we're going to put these grounding wires. We're gonna put one on the alternator. I'm gonna throw one on the cylinder head. I'll probably throw one on the intake manifold, and then one goes on the transmission. It's on the alternator. It's coming from here. I'm not even really sure, dude, if that's like the spot where it goes, but I don't know. So it goes from here, and then it goes right there. So on all these, I just sanded down the paint right there just to get, you know, metal on metal. So that's the first one. Back here, this is gonna be kind of a twat to try to see. Damn. Yeah, you're not fucking seeing that. Coming off of there, sanded that down. It's coming right here. And then that one's going to the transmission down there. And there's the other one, and that's just to the back of the cylinder head over there. See ya. Bye bye. So right now I'm heading to
left turn ahead and then right turn.
okay, I know how to get out of here. Right now I'm heading to some dry ice place to grab some dry. Shut the
Then
up.
left turn.
So I'm heading over there, gonna pick up some dry ice. And we're gonna go ahead and knock out that sound deadening. And I'll probably put the taillights in too, because I got nothing else better to do today. Jesus.
Roll out, roll out, roll out, roll out, roll out.
Hey, don't be a f***ing asshole. Pick your trash up. Oh boy. Oh. Oh shit. Yep. I'm gonna clean all this out real quick, and then we're gonna throw that in there. Bombs away. Just look at all this shite. All that was just in the 240. Holy Jesus. That bar's gotta go back. That's gonna go back in eventually. Probably throw the seats in there and just so I save some space in here. Yeah. My car's f***ing vaping right now. And this video is sponsored by and it's that easy, boys. Now your neighbors are gonna hate you. That's why you do this at 11 o'clock in the morning. Not 11 o'clock at night, you know what I'm saying? gonna finish beating the out of this, and then we'll move the dry ice over there and do the same thing. This is where we got so far. Got that knocked out, most of that knocked out, some of that. We got that cooking. Now some of this you're not gonna be able to get all of it, so you'll have to come in with like a, a wire brush and a or a wire wheel and a drill and just scrape it up. But had to put it on pause for a little bit because your neighbors will hate you for this because it's pretty loud. So one of them came over and was complaining. So I'm gonna give it like an hour, let that snap, crackle, and pop, and then get back to it. All right, so that's pretty much it. I just got little pieces right there, and then we're gonna have to wire wheel the rest. And that's all the sound deadening that came out. It's all chunked up. That's how greasy the is, like I was saying. Still some grease in there. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, and if you don't, fuck off.